If you're tired of feeling stuck, listen closely. One simple rule can change your entire life in the next 30 days. It's called the 30-30-30 rule. The first 30? Spend 30 minutes every morning learning something that makes you more valuable. A skill, a money lesson, a mindset shift. Anything that moves you forward. The second 30, save 30% of every dollar you touch, not because it's easy, but because it builds discipline. Wealth doesn't start with what you make, it starts with what you keep. And the last 30? Spend 30 minutes every night planning tomorrow. Success is not about doing more, it's about being intentional. You don't need a new life. You just need a new plan and the discipline to follow it. Do this for 30 days and watch your confidence, clarity, and money grow. The 30-30-30 rule won't change the world, but it will absolutely change yours.